Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Double Cab with the Rally Edition. Total price of this truck is $40,700, which honestly is a bargain for what you get. This one has Sirius XM, all the features you have come to know and love. I specifically like the Rally Edition's black exhaust tip. Really nice touch. Bunch of options on this one because the standard price was $37,000. This one has the Rally Edition and 2.7 liter turbo discount on there. Nice, easy to get up and in. The 2.7 liter turbo is a heck of a motor. I love it personally. Has all the torque of a diesel without needing to be a diesel. And it sounds really good, honestly. Auto start stop is available on this one. You can also shut it off, which I tend to do. Go the long way around. Now we get a chance to do it from a dig. I mean, just absolutely phenomenal. So after driving this one, what do I think of the 2.7? I still maintain that it is an excellent engine option. My ranking goes lowest V6, then the 2.7, then the 5.8, then the turbo diesel, then the 6.2. That's my lineup for the 1500s. Even though I'm not sure if you can get the 6.2 in a Silverado 1500. I know you can get it in a Sierra 1500. Due to the fact you have half the cylinders of the V8, the front of this truck is actually very light, very just chuckable. It's just phenomenal. Really, I love this truck. That's it for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.